Hello and welcome to one of the Change, Shape, Empower courses. It's so exciting to launch this platform. And this course that we're going to go through is really simple. I wanted to get the bare basics down for you guys. And really this course is about how to discover what you want in life and how to get it. It's really simple. Anyone that picks up this course can start practicing these steps today and really see a difference in their life. The people that have signed up for this course are going to fall under a few different categories. They might be someone who's lost right now. They're in a job right now and they feel like they're not getting fulfilled with the job. They really don't know if they're going to like doing this job for the next few years. They might even be terrified at the concept that they might stay in this job for 40 years, right? That might be you. You might be finishing university right now and having no idea what kind of job you're going to go into in the career that you've studied for. You might be someone who is unemployed or is still thinking about starting uni. You might be finishing school right now as well and you just have no idea what you want, really. So you might be lost right now. You might be confused. You might be a little directionless, maybe unmotivated, not seeing the purpose in your life right now. You're kind of anxious and stressed because you just don't know where you want to go in life. You guys are the people that I'm talking to. Anyone really can take this course that wants to really just improve their passion. So in terms of what you're going to discover in this course, the first thing is assess your current situation. We are going to go through a bit of a personal journey with each other, and you're going to really assess where you are right now, whether you're unhappy, whether you're happy, and you're going to rate your life. After that, we are going to build your dream. We're going to sculpt it. We're going to really discover what you want and start to unpack that in a bit of a fantasy style way. The third point is going to be growing that dream, because dreams are just dreams. Many people have dreams. Many people have goals of what they want in life, but the graveyard is the richest place because the majority of those go to the graveyard. Number 4 is shredding your self-limiting beliefs. You are your biggest weakness. And if we can learn to shred the negative self-limiting beliefs and to stop restricting ourselves, then we can flourish and we can really go all out in building and making our dream a reality. And that brings me to the final point, which is making your dream a reality. There are so many people that don't achieve what they want in life, and that's what I want to help you do in point 5. In terms of what to get out of this course, you need to do 2 things. First, you need to come at this course with an open mind. Be ready to shed any self-doubt, any previous notions and constructs that you have embedded in your mind. You need to really come at this course with an open mind and be ready to learn crazy, new, bizarre concepts, even some that you might think are weird. The second thing is that you need to participate in the actions that I give you. These actions I'll give you at the end of each video, and they might be really simple. It might be just jotting down a few things in a notebook or the worksheet that I give you. It might be posting something, sharing something on the Facebook page, keeping accountable. You need to be doing these things, otherwise you just won't finish the course and get out what you need to get out of this course. So I know you're going to love this course and you're going to get so much out of it. I'm looking forward to teaching you through the rest of this course and the rest of the modules. I'll see you soon.